these places, man. It's turning into a depressing motor vlog. All these places I like to eat are gone, man. They're closed up. Lookout Mountain over there. Hey, that little cloud looks like a little cotton ball. Guess the guy behind me is wondering what the hell I'm doing. That's fine. If he didn't have to tailgate me, he wouldn't have to wonder, would he? I wonder, wonder, wonder who wrote the book of love. Did y'all know that Ronnie James Dio of Rainbow and Dio, did y'all know he started out as a doo-wop singer? He did. I hate to see that they're just destroying that. That's my Appalachian Mountains, y'all. Sweet home Alabama, Lookout Mountain. Two good songs. A good song about Lookout Mountain is the Brother Phelps song called Lookout Mountain. And of course they had Tennessee River, it mentioned Lookout Mountain in there. And My Home's in Alabama also mentions Lookout Mountain. Some of this is going to be overlap and repeat, but that's just what it is. I'm getting a little tired. I still got to go pay the lot bill. Not the lot bill. I got to go pay the phone bill so I can have my internet, so I can upload my YouTube masterpieces with my production team, and my stunt double can get off the motorcycle so I can quit doing the overviews. I don't really ride. I got a stunt double. It's all fake, man. Y'all might notice that Toyota behind me just ate the ditch, and he got back up on the road. Should we be concerned? What do I really want to eat, dog? I know what I wanted, but I didn't get it. Oh well. Hit the middle here. Less of the holes. Welcome to Ford Payne. Watch the white woman in the SUV. She didn't even stop. I was thinking about where to eat. I got quiet for a minute. Don't ever be afraid on your motor vlogs to pump dead air. There's some of these people that do motor vlogs, Paul's Motos in. He don't ever talk while he's riding. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Just making an observance. You can do what you don't have to just keep talking. You can play music. If you play music while flashing boobies all at the same time, hell, I bet you'd get 1 million views if that's what you're after. We are at the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, Lookout Mountain. Over here at the high school, out there behind the football fields where they held the original June Jam back in the 80s. and on up into the early 90s, I think. I can't remember. They brought it back, but now they're doing it at the VFW. Unless you want me to take you to school, we gotta hop over. Might as well go on and show you through this part of town. I don't think I showed this half yet. Do you see the light is still green? We rode over 100 miles a day, not too much. I ain't trying. Yeah, out there it used to be where the June Jam was held. I'm not out here trying to say, oh, look how many miles I ride. But look how many miles I ride. Hey, Ashbury Christian Fellowship. They may have changed the name of it. Became one of them non-denominational churches. Look out for the white women in the SUVs. Even worse, they won't hire me there, don't ask. I've been trying to get on there for years. They got a high turnover rate. And then you got to question yourself, why? Or I would. But I don't run the company, so, you know, my ideas is the only ones that don't make no sense, right? All these used to be old salt mills down there. There ain't nothing here now. There's a few hangers on and stragglers. There ain't nothing like it used to be. There ain't nothing like it used to be. I don't mean to be depressing. I am kind of hungry, but that's alright. I couldn't find the doggone. Couldn't get into where I wanted to go. That's okay. Mama didn't want to go eat with me. Me with Mr. Gregory and Mr. Dean are up in Vam, hanging out. Florida in front of me. I see a tailgater. I mean, he's right up on my bumper. He actually bumped me a little bit. Used to be old skating ring there. Mason's Lodge. Baptist Church. Right here is the Catholic Church. Yep, Catholic Church. That's what it says. Our Lady of the Valley. I'd like to yodel in your valley. Used to be a salt mill there. Used to be a red light here. Something's going down over there. Used to be a theater there, but the sweet and sour sniffles took care of that. I was wondering if she's gonna stop. Hey, you know there's women in there. Well, hell no, you ain't. Yeah, just pull out in front of me, brother. Toyota should sponsor me. You got a out-of-date tag on there too. It's Louisiana. Out of state. Ain't a lot of locals around here anymore. Is anybody even local anymore to anywhere? Remember what I told you in the last video. We don't put turn signals on our roads. Very few of our intersections actually have a daggum turn signal. Very few. Whoa. Hang on, Bubba. I claim you in the name of liberty. Still don't have a transmission. I don't know, you can't find it when it's warm. You can spend half a month trying to look for it though. Old Stone's barbershop's been in business forever, but as you can tell, I don't have a need of a barber. Do y'all want a sandwich or a burrito? I don't know. What do y'all recommend? I recommend we get in and out of this heat for a minute. Oh, we're still recording. Hey, later, y'all. Y'all ride on, y'all ride safe. Remember, it takes no more effort than tying your shoes to be nice to somebody.